Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into QuickBooks for Sales Tax Center, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type QuickBooks Login into your search bar and press enter. Click on the official QuickBooks link in the search results. Once the QuickBooks page loads, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your Intuit account email address in the designated field. Click on the Continue button. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once you've filled in your email and password, click the Sign In button. After a successful login, you will be taken to the QuickBooks dashboard. On the left-hand side menu, locate and click on the Taxes option. In the Taxes section, select Sales Tax. You will then be directed to the Sales Tax Center. Here, you can manage your sales tax settings, view reports, and file returns. Make sure to explore all available options in the Sales Tax Center. If you need additional help, use the support resources provided by QuickBooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.